Let's see. I do live clearings, and we have moved over to Balanced Energy Exchange. If you do not know what that is, go ahead and watch episode 146 of the podcast on YouTube to learn about balanced energy exchanges. There's almost an entire podcast on how to do that. And so you can send partial energy or cash or monetary payment, or a mix of the two of those for sessions. If you need a reduced monetized payment amount, feel free to email us at info@rootsrestoredwellness.com, and we will be happy to issue you a discount code. And you can make up the balance by sending pure energy. We're moving into new earth timelines here, where we're essentially going to start doing free trade. And we're going to step out of this corrupt government system where they control everything because you're taxed to death on everything. And there's all these rules and regulations. And when we just do free energy exchange, it steps out of the whole system and it will eventually shut down. And that energy feels really good. I've had a lot of people reach out and say that it really resonates with them and it feels really good. So if you don't know how, you can go check that podcast. And there's been quite a bit of information put out on the different channels and social medias for you. And so I am doing live clearings based on balanced energy exchange now. So if there's enough energy exchange for me to do that without draining myself, then we are able to do some live clearings on the podcast again.